Hello everyone, and today I am going to be making a book, or more specifically, the covering of a book. I'm going to get some plywood, I'm going to slap it together with some hinges, I'm going to get out the varnish, and I'm going to chop up an apron into some leather. Sorry about the apron, it's gone now, you can't get it back, I made it into a book. Well, I haven't made it into a book yet, but I'm making it into a book, as you can see by the video, but it will eventually be made into a book. Yeah, enjoy. This is my little craft video of crafting a book. It's a single book. It serves the purpose of holding reading material. How original. I started by getting the plywood and I cut it into little shapes that were just a little bit bigger than the A4 paper page that I planned on using as the pages in the book, so that it would have a little bit of extra margin around its hardcover. Then I slapped together with some hinges. I didn't record that part because it's pretty basic, and I'm pretty sure anyone can slap some hinges together on plywood. It's kind of an unnecessary stage to record. After that, I went ahead and snipped up an apron into lots of little bits of leather, and I used hundreds and hundreds of tiny tack nails to tack the leather into the wood. It's quite thick. And then I got some varnish out and I varnished it after I drew the decoders onto the front of the page, or some of the decoders anyway. By that I just mean a bunch of alphabets in case I forget how to read, because that happens often. You'd be surprised how often I forget how to read and I have to look it up again. It's embarrassing. Anyway, enjoy.
One day this book gon' turn religion. I feel it in my blood, in my lungs, in my vision.
Alright everyone, I finished my silly little book. I was bored and I decided I just had to make a silly little book. So I took Grandpa's apron and I made it into leather binding. And then I varnished it and I plywooded it and I found some little brass hinges. Then I hand wrote hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pages of my silly nonsensical little thoughts that are inside this book now, with lots and lots of pictures over the period of a few years. And now I have a book. This is my book I wrote. It's not a very original name, but it's a book. Yes, that's what I did. That's what I did the last 2 days.